Welcome everyone to WAW Aftermath. I am Hall of Famer Shatso Bannigan, and I'd like to apologize for last week's atrocious commentary. I am so sorry that I left you guys with Buck DeRoss and
I think we're adorable.
Stelina.
I feel we did a great job.
Yeah, we did amazing.
Sure. I understood every word you said. Anyway, folks, Big Carmine and his goons really messed up the show last week. It wasn't even that many matches, but
They literally messed up the place with that.
They literally messed up the place. We had a great main event. We should have had a great main event between the champions CIA and Double Platinum. Of course, Carmine and his goons decided to mess that main event up. Everything was messed up. I should have been here, obviously, because when I'm not here, the show's messed up, the audio's messed up, everything's messed up. Start the show!
Take it to Henry.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to WAW Aftermath.
I don't even know what's on the menu
Coming
tonight.
to the ring now for a few words
Do you
from
ever?
Lawrence, Massachusetts,
No one-
Draven, Filth.
You never know in wrestling. Card is always subject to change.
Where the hell is... Wait a minute.
Oh, there's his music.
Wait a minute. That's not Draven's music.
I think it's creepy.
Draven, Phil, obviously toying with the audience, laughing at them. They expected Freight Train. We did not expect Draven.
Actually,
Phil.
I'm sighing relief right now. That's not. This is like the best thing ever, actually.
No, you stop it. Nobody wants to see Draven, Phil.
I know you're upset that you missed last week. You missed the retirement of Freight Train last week.
We may have. I heard. I watched. Actually, I watched a little review there. Not too happy about what I saw.
Draven, Filth. What is, you come out, you sneak attack Freight Train last week, now you come out to his music. What is going on?
Well, he's gone. He doesn't need it anymore. Partners keepers.
What's going on?
Did you like the music you just heard?
Yeah.
You like Freight Train's theme, right? You guys all like Freight Train, right?
Well, I like Black Sabbath.
Well, that was the last time you people are ever going to hear that song.
Hallelujah and amen.
The last
And
time you
Ozzy.
people
I
are
like
ever going to
Ozzy.
see that
Give
old
me dance a
man.
second.
You see, he could have let everything go. He could have let everything go, but no, 2 weeks ago he decided to hit me with a chair. So I decided it was time to put the old man down.
Drag the old
But I
dog
gotta
out back
thank
and shoot
somebody.
him.
I gotta thank somebody for all of its help.
Real style of show.
Thank you. Thank you for helping me put down that old man.
Brutality
you for
wall
helping
1,
me put down
Freight
old
Train
Yeller.
0.
I know the brutality wall is kind of a thing in WW, but it's really an inanimate object.
What happened to Freight
That
Train
wall
was his
get
own
more
fault.
action
He
than
was a
Pops if he's
selfish
put in the
old man
audience.
that liked to ride on my coattails. He was a leech. But now the Freight Train has been derailed.
His face hit that brick wall so hard it flattened out all his wrinkles.
Now I can move on. Now,
Oh.
What is that?
I don't know.
That is the sound. That is the music of Chainsaw. He's new here in WAW. The Dream Warrior himself.
From Gloucester, Massachusetts, they call him the Dream Warrior, the Chainsaw.
you get?
And with confusion comes anger.
Stay out of my business. I don't know who you are, but stay out of my damn business.
Telling Chainsaw to stay out of his business. We've got a match here now, I guess.
Chainsaw could have stayed downstairs where it was safe. If I were him, I would have brought the chainsaw into the damn ring. It's the only chance he had against this man. And now he's getting mauled. Ah, right to the disco ball head of Chainsaw. Maybe that's what we'll use him as. We'll cut his head off and just put his head up there like a disco ball.
Halloween's coming up, and we have a little.
It would be a
ball.
great Halloween decoration.
It's pretty visceral there, Buck.
Got coming over the chainsaw. Come on.
I mean, it's not. I mean, there's really no chain on it. It's kind of like this big plastic thing, anyway. That's why people are mad. People boo him because it's not really a chainsaw. You know?
Sure it is. He's got that plastic thing over it.
I mean, I don't know. The Draven there with a clothesline into the corner.
There we go. Got the hooks in. Chainsaw going for a ride.
Good lord. Going for a cover now.
And the suffering continues. Chainsaw kicking out at two.
Mocking the crowd.
Chainsaw can't even get out of the box here against Draven Filth.
And a hard left. A little bit of a southpaw. Draven Filth.
You're on freight train, huh?
Right in the trench now.
He's gone.
Added a new tattoo to his lower back. Nice big bruise.
Draven Filth telling the crowd that Freight Train isn't coming back.
He's manually trying to take off the disco ball now.
There you go, just twist it right off.
He doesn't even want to use the chainsaw.
Using his elbows, getting out of there, off the ropes.
Oh boy. Ah.
Draven catches him, tosses him into the corner. Oh no. Off the ropes now. Draven with that boot to the face. Knocking Chainsaw down. He is down. What a boot to the face.
It's a good thing he's got that mask on. He's keeping all his teeth in there. DDT.
What a DDT. Driving his head right into the mat. We only got a 2 count. Chainsaw still in this.
Oh, he's lining up his shot though.
Oh.
Definitely DDT. He's not gonna have a
Chainsaw going for a ride now.
miss. Wait a minute.
No, we got a reversal.
What is that
The
symptom?
Dream Warrior still in this thing.
Backing up all the way to the other corner.
Ah.
Splashing with a couple of elbows. Draven now stumbling to the middle of the ring while Chainsaw
Chainsaw going for here.
getting up on the lower rope. Cross body. Very unorthodox cross body.
Just hurling himself at the opposition. That's a desperate man in there.
You can't see it, but you can clearly see the desperation in the mask.
It's desperation. You just smell it on him.
Oh, they're desperate.
Wait a minute, going up to the bottom rope once again. Oh, he's caught this time.
Big mistake. Draven
Ah,
ending
press the
right
ET.
here. Going for the cover. No? I don't think he's
he's
going
not
to go.
done
He is
yet.
not done with Chainsaw. He is going to deliver more punishment to Chainsaw right here, right now.
Gonna lock him in there.
Chainsaw in trouble, nowhere near the ropes. He is tapping.
Stabbing Stamarino
No
right in the
shame.
bell.
No shame, sir. Save your career.
The barely done
Winner of your match, Draven Filth.
If the Dream Warrior thought he's gonna win that, he's clearly dreaming. That was a straight up nightmare. Chain last week. I think he just retired Chainsaw this week.
What a hell of a show opener, I guess. Obviously, Bucket proves great. Chainsaw, good luck, buddy. Welcome to WAW. I don't know. What's his score now? 0-2? Yeah. I don't even know. But we've got more action on the way, so folks, stay with us.